mixing it up with the smoothies. We got today bananas, yellow kiwis, mix it in with some soy milk and cinnamon. It's pretty good combo, I must say. Pretty decent combo. I would recommend it. Try it out, guys. Try it out. What's happening, gang? Oh, that's great to hear. For me? Well, we are going for a little adventure here in a couple days. But no spoilers. Not gonna tell you anything about it yet, because I wish I will film some good ass footage there, so you guys are gonna see what's happening, what's this adventure all about. The only problem here is that I don't have laptop yet. I'm gonna get it pretty soon, so I can't edit videos anywhere else besides here where my main computer is. So there's not gonna be any videos for a couple days, maybe like in a week, but that is a great opportunity for you guys to gather some hype, because it's gonna be hype. It's gonna be exciting when I get back from my adventure, and I hope to make 1, 2, maybe 3 X amount of videos there. We will see how good of a job I can do. Yeah, adventure happening, that's coming up. You guys are gonna see it a little bit later, next end of the next week. But we got a video to film today too. So what's happening today? Well, I got my banana yellow kiwi smoothie, and I'm gonna drink it, and I'm gonna make some coffee, delicious coffee, and I'm gonna see you guys then. Sounds like a plan. Oh, almost forgot. I got my B12 too. Remember to take it, guys. You plant-based badasses. Take your B12. Take it. What's happening today, bro? Well, let me tell you. Let me first finish my coffee. Then the exciting part. We're gonna head out to the bat cave. You know what that means? That means only one thing: kicks, flips, twists, tricking action. I know, a lot of tricking videos lately. But what can you do? I fucking love tricking. It's so much fun. And who doesn't like to watch tricking? I mean, who doesn't like to watch some flips and kicks? Yeah, I'm gonna head to Batcave, buy food today because my tire blew off on the last video, god damn it. So I have to walk there, but it's not that long and I get pretty good warm up when I walk there, so it's alright. And my body feels really good today. I feel really energetic. So I hope to continue my good little streak here that's going on, like good tricking videos. So I hope to continue that with today. And then we're gonna see what I eat post-workout and for dinner. So that's what's happening. A lot of tricking action coming up into your lives. That's gonna be exciting. The hype is real once again. And then some plant-based foods that I am gonna eat today to recover and recuperate and get ready for tomorrow and for my adventure that starts Saturday. So, see you at the Batcave, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, that's the session. And what a session that was once again. A little bit of everything, tumbling, twisting, couple dubs there, swings, little handstand action at the end, flips, martial arts kicks, everything. I'm so tired right now, but I need to walk home and need to eat something. Yeah, definitely need to eat something. Check it out. What do we got for post-workout feast? Check it out. We got all kinds, 2 kinds of soy quarks. We got mango, we got blackcurrant. With mango we got some yellow kiwis on top with a little bit of cinnamon in there too. Oh boy, that's delicious. Then we got the blackcurrant one with some pomegranates on top. Oh shit. Then we got some pomegranate juice. Oh boy, that's good. That's so refreshing, so powerful. And we got persimmons as well. What? These persimmons are so damn delicious. One of my favorite fruits for sure. So good, so good. And of course we got some green juice as well with some apples, pears, kale, baobab. What's that? Oh shit. So we got all kinds of things here. Carbs, we got protein, we got plenty.
And I mean plenty of antioxidants here as well. So I'm gonna be feeling good after this. I'm gonna be feeling refreshed once again. Whew, looking forward to my post-workout feast. See you at the dinner, guys. See you at the dinner. Guess what we are having for dinner? It's my favorite. Let me show you. Let me show you. Once again, the burritos are back. And I actually eat them pretty much all the time. So I try to make something else when I'm doing these videos. But burritos, I make them a lot, and they are my favorite dinner probably at the moment. And they are so versatile, you can mix things up quite nicely with them. So let me show you what's up today with them. Damn! We got bunch of kale, we got bunch of tofu, chickpeas, corn and yellow bell peppers, and mushrooms too. We got mushrooms there too. Then we got this mild jalapeno. Then the sauce, we got some papaya, mango, ananas, tropical salsa, ananas. It's not ananas in English, it's pineapple. Then we got some lime too, to make it real authentic. And here's the rest of it. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna down probably 8 of those. And that's that for dinner. Yay. Look at me, making the outro. Day late once again. Oh man, I'm just starting my editing process here. And preparing for the adventure that starts tomorrow. So you get this video today and then no videos for a few days. So I will see you guys later next week with some exciting and little different video or videos. And until then, thank you for watching. Smash that motherfucking like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family too. See you next week, gang.